Hi, this is Lezlie
and Lexy.
And we're here today to introduce and celebrate the Winter Collection 2023.
A party to remember.
Ooh. Yes, we have colors. It's going to be a festive season. People are going to be getting ready for parties. You guys, your clients will be coming in. They want to get all gussied up like we are today. So what we did is we found the perfect colors for that party to remember.
Yes, the most cohesive winter collection yet. And something that we've never done, which is so great about this collection, is we now have a pick your formula. So each color comes in P+, ButterCream, and color gel, which is the first time that we have ever done this.
How exciting. I feel like we should almost have a toast or something to
I know, I wish we had a couple cocktails that we could ask and you shall receive.
I love it.
So what should we toast to, Les?
I think we should toast to a party to remember and colors to remember for winter 2023.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now, how about we dive right into this exciting and classy menu for winter, light elegance colors. I'll start with the first ones. Martinis Up, a creamy winter emerald. This green is rich, dramatic, but it pops a bit of winter brightness.
Next, I'm gonna go into Let's Limo.
Ooh, I like that.
A deep, rich, jewel-toned purple, a dark purple with a touch of neon that gives it a sophisticated party look.
Ooh, I like it. And Sexy Soiree, this fuchsia meets red, has a shimmery satin finish. This color leans a bit more towards red, but the tiny bit of pink gives it that festive glow.
I love the shimmer in this one.
Me too.
Beautiful.
It is.
Oh, two of my favorite things, whiskey and wine. For you dramatic lovers, this deep wine has just a touch of brown. This luscious color is enhanced with a bit of red wine shimmer.
Ooh, I'll drink to that one, Lexy. Fashionably late. I am actually wearing it, but I try not to be fashionably late.
And it looks stunning on you.
Thank you, Lexy. It's a creamy winter berry, a pink meets purple. It's extremely luxurious.
Midnight Meat, which is what I am wearing on my nails. As you guys know, I am a blue lover, so I absolutely love this one. It is a bright royal meets cobalt blue. What makes this exciting color so outstanding is the tiny pieces of light blue glitter throughout. Now we're gonna go into the real party of a party to remember. Let's get on with the glitters.
I know, and I'll start out with the first one. Paparazzi. I know, Lexy.
I know, the cameras follow me everywhere.
She lives in a fantasy land. Anyway, this is a mixture of your favorite jewel tones. This glitter includes fuchsia, green, blue, red, and black. These small round disco balls are best used over a color for a massive explosion of fun.
The next one is, may I have this dance, Lezlie?
Of course you may.
A fine gold meets fuchsia for this perfect blend of rose gold. You could call this a champagne on steroids. We all love a good champagne, right? To drink and to wear.
I love it. And all dolled up. That's what we're all gonna do this winter. This is a shimmery champagne pink with small pieces of iridescent glitter. A soft pink with just a touch of refreshing light gold sparkle. This is one of my favorites.
Very delicate and sweet.
Yes.
This next one is how I like my men, tall, dark, and handsome. This extremely fine black glitter is laced with tiny chrome pieces. A black champagne is perfect for any winter party.
Ooh. Sparkles or sequins?
Definitely sparkles.
I'm definitely a sequin girl. But this is a chunky meets fine iridescent glitter. A combination of light shimmery gold mixed with soft sweet lavender. A soft glitter with a ton of fun flash.
Love this one. All right, we are gonna make the last one a double because it is called Make It a Double, and this is the perfect holiday green glitter. It's a fine emerald, a light green mixture to create a fun and festive green glitter. You guys have been asking for this, so you ask and you get.
And it's so perfect for the season, not only for the Christmas season, but the fun parties that you're gonna go to and all the stuff you're gonna be wearing.
So there are 12 new winter colors and glitters, and I think that is a pretty good main dish. What do you think?
I think it's a fabulous main dish, but I think people are really going to be excited about the glitter, which I call the desserts.
I love it. Well, should we make a toast?
I think we should. Order these colors now. They're so exciting. A party to remember. They're colors to remember. And we are ready for winter. And
We are. And don't forget, what's inside matters. We responsibly manufacture right here in Redmond, Oregon, and we are very proud of that.
I think I will toast to that, and I'm going to toast to a party to remember. Thank you, Lexy.
Cheers and have a great winter, everyone.
Bye-bye.